WA in October is the perfect time to get into your garden. It's starting to warm up and that means that there's lots to do. In mid-spring, it's the perfect time to get your plants into the garden before summer hits. Palms are the perfect option to put in at this time of the year. There is a huge range available in the store. Perfect for a bold accent plant, they are great around pools. They'll also do well in a patio. Plant them in pots or outside in the ground. Fertilise in spring, summer and autumn, and water deeply and regularly when it's warm and dry. Palms have two growth habits, clumping or single-stemmed. If you need any help, come in and see one of our garden experts at your local Bunnings store. And don't forget your veggie patch. It's a great time of the year to get your seedlings in. Plant beans, beetroot, capsicum and carrot seeds straight into the ground. And don't forget your cucumbers and pumpkins. Remember, they need plenty of room. All our plants except seedlings are guaranteed for the first 12 months. If you're not happy with it, bring in your receipt and we can give you a full refund. There's nothing quite like growing your own vegetables. This month is time to pick the last of your winter veggies such as your cauliflower, your peas, your onion and your broccoli. October has the perfect weather so that you can get out in your garden and get your maintenance done. Prepare the soil for your veggies by adding organic matter such as manures and compost. If you've got really sandy soil, then try using sand to soil. It's a product that contains bentonite clay to help enrich the soil and aid with water and nutrient retention. Adding a soil wetter helps too. Do it now before it gets too hot. Give your lawn a little bit of love. Aerate it with a fork so the water can penetrate to the roots. Raise the mower height as well. Longer grass shades itself and allows the roots to remain a little bit cooler. Do some retic maintenance as well. Check the sprinklers are working and check watering regulations with your local authority. Make the most of this amazing weather and get out into your garden. You'll certainly reap the rewards in summer. Come in and check our amazing plant range. If you've got any questions, ask one of our expert team members and we will be happy to help you. Click here for more gardening advice or click here to go back to the website.